Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Create a weekly plan that schedules 25-30 hours of focused study and clinical review, divided into daily goals and realistic blocks. Use time blocking to reserve mornings for new material and evenings for consolidation. Schedule 2-3-hour blocks for anatomy or medications. Use 25/5 Pomodoro cycles for deep work and a 15-30-minute review at day end to reinforce memory. Prioritize tasks by exam date and concept difficulty, and adjust blocks weekly to reflect progress and clinical demands. Use spaced repetition with review intervals at 1, 3, and 7 days for durable memory. Schedule flashcard reviews into your weekly plan. Practice 150 multiple choice or case questions per week with detailed rationales and mark missed concepts for immediate review. Teach peers or explain processes aloud, narrating steps for assessments and medication calculations. Use diagrams and margin notes of 1/4 inch for quick visual cues. Mix clinical scenarios with textbook study to connect theory to bedside actions and decision-making. Simulate exam conditions with timed blocks equal to real test length and the same breaks, then review performance immediately to identify pacing issues. Sleep 7-9 hours nightly and drink about 2 liters of water daily to maintain cognitive function and memory consolidation. Use error logs to track weak areas, coding each mistake by topic and revisiting them in 3-day cycles until accuracy reaches 90% on practice sets. Balance study with light exercise, short social breaks, and clear weekly goals to avoid burnout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.